Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Tuesday, January 12, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. We're going to start the day off with the S&P 500 E-mini futures. You're going to see that the futures are trading decently higher right now by 18.25 points to 1932.5 per contract. So good little pop in the futures overnight. You can see right around 1 in the morning, the market started to take off to the upside and really put in a really good little move here. We'll see if the move is sustainable. Yesterday, we had a gap up and then the market faded. And all in all, it was pretty much just a little bit of a flat day yesterday. Slightly positive, I would say. But today we are getting a nice little pop again before the opening bell. And we'll see if this rally is sustainable today. All right, there are definitely some stocks in the news, and that's what's important. Last night, after the closing bell, officially earnings season kicked off with Alcoa. Ticker symbol is letter A. And what you'll see here is that the stock closed at $8. It is trading at $8.06. Again, I really don't see much upside for Alcoa today. Maybe it gets to $8.05, maybe $8.10. But honestly, I really don't see this thing moving much. I don't think it's a bellwether stock anymore. I know it's the world's largest aluminum producer, but it really just isn't the stock that it was 25 years ago. So again, be a little bit careful here with Alcoa. I don't think there's a lot to do, but what it tells us is later this week we'll have a lot of financial earnings with JP Morgan, I believe Wells Fargo, and a bunch of others, and then next week we'll really kick it into gear with tons and tons of earnings. So if you have not done so yet, get ready. We're going to get a lot of morning gap plays beginning, I would say, really starting next week, but even today I got a couple today. So watch for those, and we'll be getting lots of gap plays throughout the entire earnings season. We do every quarter, and earnings season really is upon us now. So if the Alcoa is going to tell us anything, it's going to be that. All right, let's take a look at another stock that really is reacting today, and that's Lululemon. So ticker symbol here is LULU. Great move to the upside in Lululemon. Right now, the stock is trading at around $59.80. This is really a good pop. Stock closed at $54.73. They said they had very good winter selling season or very good season for the holidays. Stock is soaring higher. We'll see where it goes. I am going to have some levels for this one, and I'll put those up in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 o'clock in the morning. So traders looking at Lululemon, I will have some levels for you there. But this is a great move by Lululemon this morning. Stock is trading sharply higher. Again, closing at $54.73. Now trading at $79.73. $59.73. So it's a great move there, and we'll have some resistance levels there. Next one I want to talk about is Starbucks. Looks like they're going to open 500 stores in China. Stock closed at $57.82. It's trading at $58.70. So very nice little pop there. It's up about $1 from yesterday's close. We'll see where this one goes. No levels right now that are really interesting to me, but nonetheless, the stock will hit some minor resistance around the 59.33 level. So keep that on watch, 59.33. There will be some intraday resistance on Starbucks. So if you do own it, just trail the stop loss at that point. Next up, we'll take a look at Apollo Group. It looks like they're going to be taken over some way, somehow. You could read the news on it. I didn't really go into it. Again, it's too low of a price stock for me, but I know a lot of traders do follow this name. And stock closed at $6.38. It is now trading at $7.62. So, again, if you own it, trail the stop loss. If not, don't do anything with it at this stage of the game. And you could check out the news for yourself. Let's take a look at Burlington. This will be a gap play today. Stock is trading at $47.75. Closed at $42.76. So this is a great move here. We're going to have gap resistance levels. They'll be posted up in the chat room at 9 a.m. Next one I'm going to look at is Steve Madden. Ticker symbol is SHOE. And what you're going to see here is the stock, I believe, reported earnings. Right now it's trading at $29, closed at $29.33. So be a little bit careful with this one. It is beaten down, though. If you do get any kind of a move above $29.50 on a 10-minute closing basis, this could be a runner today. So keep this one on the radar. I don't know if it's going to give you too much, but nonetheless, this has a chance to make a little bit of a move, especially after earnings, but we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Right now, it's about 30 cents below yesterday's closing price. When I look at the charts here, another stock that has caught my interest is going to be GameStop, GME. Stock right now is trading down at around $27. It did spike a little while ago above $33. So it goes to show you the wild moves that can take place in the market. Right now it is down to around $27.55. So keep GameStop on the radar today. That's also going to be a wild mover. All right, let's take a look at the gold market. Gold right now is trading down by $8.60 to $1,087.60 an ounce. So gold is a little bit weaker. Oil is higher. Crude oil is trading up by 40 cents. That's probably certainly helping the markets today. Right now, every time we see the crude oil market lower, stocks usually sell off. When crude gets a bid, stocks usually start to perk up, and crude oil has just been decimated as of late. But right now, we do have spot crude trading up about 40 cents to 31.81 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is an ETF to trade crude oil, you're going to see this closed at $9.25. It is now trading at $9.40. It has perked up, and that is certainly going to help the major stock indexes. All right, with that being said, I just want to point out earnings season is upon us. Again, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll get all of our morning gap plays. Like I said, Alcoa just reported last night after the closing bell. We're going to get a lot more earning plays coming each and every day, and that means we'll get a lot more gap plays each and every day. With that being said, everyone, I want to wish you all a great session, and we'll see you on the charts.